Welcome my YouTube channel. My honest take on the Smart Blood Sugar book, what I really think so. I've been trying to stay healthy by using different products like diet guides and supplements. Recently, I added the Smart Blood Sugar book to my routine, mainly because I kept hearing good things about it and it promised to help manage blood sugar naturally. That piqued my interest, especially since I'm all about avoiding meds if I can. I decided to give it a shot. When I heard that Dr. Marlene Merritt claimed her book could help control blood sugar levels naturally, I was both cautious and hopeful. The book starts off by breaking down the science in a super straightforward way. It explains how insulin works, how different foods affect blood sugar, and why a lot of modern eating habits are pushing people toward prediabetes and diabetes. I really appreciated how clear everything was. Finally, a health book that doesn't drown you in complicated jargon. That clarity made me want to dig into the actual plan. Dr. Merritt shares what she calls the 5 simple steps to better blood sugar health. These include tips like the Smart Blood Sugar Plate, timing your meals right, and managing portion sizes. In my kitchen, I already use a digital food scale, a low GI recipe book, and now this book as part of my daily check-in. Putting these steps into practice was pretty manageable, which made sticking with it easier, even on busy days. Since I heard this book has helped a lot of people shed some weight and boost their energy, I was excited to try out the food swaps and meal ideas it suggested. The snack swaps and meal ideas felt doable and realistic. To support this, I started using stevia-based sweeteners, almond flour, and a good omega-3 supplement. I like that the approach isn't about cutting carbs out completely but just reducing them, which fits my lifestyle well. Listening to my friends talk about their blood sugar ups and downs, I started recommending the book to them too. One thing I really like is that it's not just about diet, it also talks about drinking enough water, staying active, and getting good sleep. To help with these, I picked up a fitness tracker, some herbal teas for better sleep, and a sturdy stainless steel water bottle so I stay hydrated all day. Within just a few weeks, I started noticing fewer cravings, more consistent energy, and no more crashing in the afternoon. The book emphasizes what Dr. Merritt calls freedom foods, those you can eat without worrying about blood sugar spikes. I support these habits with chia seeds, Greek yogurt, and a food journal to keep track of what I eat. Overall, I feel better and more in control of my health than ever before. Hearing stories online about people improving their HbA1c numbers with this plan really gave me hope. I haven't done a follow-up blood test yet, but I definitely feel way better overall. The biggest eye-opener for me was learning about hidden sugars and realizing that even foods labeled healthy can sneak in carbs that mess with blood sugar. Now, I use a magnifying glass and a food scanning app on my phone to read labels more carefully. The bonus materials from the book, like Dr. Merritt's advice, have been such a help too. They include meal plans, shopping lists, and a carb counting chart. To stay organized, I keep a magnetic meal planner on my fridge and label my pantry shelves. These little tools make choosing meals less stressful. When my doctor told me during my last checkup, "Whatever you're doing, keep it up," I felt so encouraged. The book doesn't promise quick fixes, but it offers a practical, real-world way to keep my blood sugar in check. I track my progress with a glucometer, a notebook, and a reward chart to celebrate small victories. Some folks say the book might just be another health fad, but I respectfully disagree. It's not some magic solution, but it's built on solid nutrition advice. It actually motivates me to make better choices. I listen to educational podcasts, use a support app, and keep this book as a trusted reference. Overall, the Smart Blood Sugar book isn't just a collection of tips, it's more like a whole lifestyle guide. Seeing my own body respond and noticing real changes has been super enabling. Every day, I use fresh produce, my cast iron skillet, and the motivation I get from this book to stay on track. If you're after a straightforward, practical, and science-based way to manage your blood sugar naturally, I think this book is totally worth checking out. Thank you.